Hey, I'm Jessica with Family of Nomads, and we're really excited because right now we're camping in Fort Pierce, and Dub's mom and his aunt and his niece are on their way. They're almost here. They'll be here in about an hour, but we rented a camper from Good Sam, so they are actually camping right next to us, and we had the camper delivered yesterday. They set it all up for us. They're going to be here for a whole week, and we're really excited to show you guys the camper that they're going to be in. So come on, let's go. So when we first got here, we saw that they had set up everything. We didn't know that they were going to set everything up for us, which is really nice, especially if you aren't familiar with camping, when you rent an RV to have everything set up for you. So the sewer was set up, the water filter, the electricity, everything was all completely set up for us. Let's go look at the inside. When we first got here, we also saw that they even set up the rug, the chairs, and all the outside stuff for us, which was really cool because we didn't have to do anything. All right, let's go inside and check everything out. All right, so when we came in here yesterday, because they actually dropped it off yesterday, the first thing we noticed when we walked in is that they had turned on the air conditioner, so it was nice and cool, which was really nice because it's like 90 degrees here in Florida. We did go to the grocery store and pick them up a couple of like goodies to put in a basket. This did not come with the camper, but what did come with the camper is all of the plates and utensils and cups and pots and pans. There's even an air fryer and an Instant Pot, so everything they need is already here. Paper towels, literally everything. The only thing that they need is food. So there's a couch, a really nice dinette. This camper even smells brand new, so that's kind of cool. And then in here is the bunk room. So this is probably where my niece is going to sleep and where my mother-in-law is going to sleep. There's enough room in here for like 4 people. This does fold up into a couch, and then there's even some games that came with the camper in here. And then on the other side, oh, there's also a TV in here too, so they can watch TV, which I know they're gonna appreciate, especially greatly. And then over here is a second TV, a fireplace that works, which they're not going to need to use. The full-size bathroom is in here, and it literally comes with everything. There's towels, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toilet paper, absolutely everything they would need is in the bathroom. Like, they literally only need to buy food. And then the master bedroom is in here. This is probably where Dub's aunt's gonna sleep. Another TV, full size, I think this might be a queen size mattress, lots of storage. There's even hangers in here if you want to hang up your clothes, and then a master closet with some extra linens and some trash bags. So pretty much everything they're gonna need, and it was all set up for us. We didn't have to do anything, so it was really nice, and they get to be right across from us. So I'm really excited to spend the week with them. Oh my gosh.
Hey, how are you? I'm so glad to see you. Hey. Hey.
It was great for my family to come visit. Adding on to what she was saying, they were able to park right next to us instead of for them going and getting a hotel. Having a hotel, they were been farther away. We wouldn't be able to utilize that time together. That week we had, we were able to spend that entire week together. The kids could go back and forth. We could go back and forth. The dinners between the 2 campers were amazing. We were able to set up times to go do activities together versus coordinated plans on where to meet, what time, where. So everything was magical.
Yeah, it really was. And honestly, one of the things that I really appreciated about the camper rental experience is that I really thought that if we were to go back in time and start this whole adventure over again, we probably would have rented a camper first, because we actually only had our first camper that we bought brand new for 3 months because we didn't really know what we wanted in a camper. And renting a camper is a really great way, I think, to try out a camper and see what you really want. And yeah, it's a great way to vacation, etc. So we actually have a link in the video description if you want to check out rentals on the Good Sam website and find something that would suit your family, or if you just are interested in going on vacation or trying out what camper life is like.
Yeah, and even the guy that came and set the camper up, he would walk through everything, how to flush the tanks, how to add the water, how to disconnect everything, and that's something we knew nothing about when we first started. So yeah, it would have been a great experience.
Yeah, it's a really great way to get to know a little bit more about camper life. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today and watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see more camper content and just follow along with our family's adventures.
Yeah, see you guys.
Bye.